This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook well-done steak on a charcoal grill. First, prepare your charcoal grill for two-zone cooking, creating both a direct high-heat side and an indirect lower-heat side. Use high-quality lump charcoal for consistent heat. Ensure your steak is at room temperature before it hits the grill, which helps it cook more evenly. This initial setup is crucial for achieving that perfect well-done result without drying out the meat. Next, it's time to sear your steak for incredible flavor and a beautiful crust. Place the steak directly over the high-heat charcoal zone. Sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until a rich, brown crust develops. Remember to use tongs to turn the steak, as piercing it with a fork can release those delicious juices. This initial sear locks in moisture and adds a fantastic texture. Once seared, move the steak to the indirect heat zone of your grill. Close the grill lid to allow the heat to circulate evenly, gently cooking the steak through. Continue cooking until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for a true well-done finish. Always use a reliable meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part to ensure accuracy and prevent overcooking. Finally, and this step is vital, remove the steak from the grill and let it rest on a cutting board for 5 to 10 minutes. Resting allows the juices, which have been pushed to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the entire cut, ensuring a tender and flavorful bite. Slice against the grain for maximum tenderness, and then serve immediately with your favorite accompaniments. Enjoy your perfectly cooked well-done steak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.